Good day, and you are welcome to this section again. I'll be talking about two major way to create a good passive income, as in that extra income. I know you are not satisfied, you are not where you want to be financially. That's why I'm always here to put you through, to help you actualize your dream financially. So, without wasting much of your time, let me just go straight in. I have two, like I said. The first one is Amazon, writing a book. It's very easy to write a book. There are so many software app out there now that can aid your writing of book. And most of the time, you don't need to have the full knowledge about a certain topic you want to write about. The internet is a home for any type of content. So you can just go and do more research and add to what you already know and write a good book. And Amazon is going to sell for you. Your own is just to put the book on Amazon, you come home and sleep. I will do another video on how to sell on Amazon. But now today is not about how to sell on Amazon, it's what you can do to make that extra income. On Amazon, I remember last year, 2020, I wrote a book and it's on Amazon, still on Amazon now. At the price was okay, the price is $12. The book is here, and I will drop the description of the book to the site where if you can still get the book and buy. It's going to help you a lot financially because I always write about money. So I wrote the book and it was $12 on the site, and I have about 5,000 people buying a book of $12. Can you imagine? $12 in 5,000 places. Don't even try to calculate it. That's how much you can make on Amazon. The only thing is you have to be up and doing. You have to always show up. Laziness will not help you. Procrastination will not help you. It will even kill you financially. So Amazon is a good place to start. That's where you self-publish your book. Gone are the days whereby we write books and look for publisher, and now you can do it online. It's not only Okada book is there. There are many like that you can always put your writing skills into action, then you monetize it. Whatever you know about, can you cook? You can do a short book on how to cook African dishes and make a local food. People are there. There are many people in America, that's what I mean in abroad, that want to know how to cook Nigerian food, African food. In fact, they will gladly pay $5, $10 to get the book and on their phone and start cooking. And my dear, you don't need to know how to cook a lot of all this food yourself. Go and research about it. Go and learn it. Then put it into writing. And my dear, you are on your way into making your first million. That is how good. When I say first million, I'm not saying $1 million. Naira. Naira. I'm in Nigeria. I don't know if you are watching this vlog in any other part of the world. But for now, I'm talking about my Nigerian people. So I'm going to be using naira in everything I say. That's my currency, and I'm proud of it. Though the value is nothing to write home about. So as I was saying, so put your pen to paper, write about clothing, write about fashion, write about food, write about money, write about any topic you can find out there. That is for Amazon. It's very important you try to key into this because it's a way to make that passive income. It can be your second source of income. So that's for writing a book, self-publishing your book. Now, to that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do, and like, share, comment, because it's going to help other people like you that want to have another source of income to get to see this video. So thank you very much. Let's go into the number two. Now, welcome back. This number two is something I've been talking about for a long time, and it baffles me that people still don't get it. People still don't get it. Now, it's nothing but being a YouTuber, a vlogger, just like me. I may not do anything again for the rest of my life. In fact, I may not look for another job, for another contract again. I'll just be doing this. And man, I'll be cashing out big time. Cool money. That's how YouTube is helping a lot of youth, especially in Nigeria. You can see many of them begging you to subscribe to their channels on social media. Comedians, a lot of people. Even he just the first day, Don Jazzy joined YouTube. He said he wants to start vlogging. He wants to be a YouTuber and is giving out 5 million naira to help people that still want to be a YouTuber to buy equipment and some other thing. But I will tell you, you don't even need a lot of money to start being a YouTuber. Now, you need to know some points before you can go into this thing, this particular one. Number one, I want to understand that this thing is not going to be an overnight money making machine. It's an overtime money making machine. You are going to give it time. You are going to put in the work. Now, the first thing, before you can be monetized, before you can be a partner with YouTube and you earn from YouTube, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and you must have about 4,000 watch hour. It's a long, you will say, but not so big deal. Many people like me have passed that milestone. One of my channels is over 500,000 subscribers, and I start with zero subscribers. Okay, let me say I start with one subscriber. The one subscriber, it's even me. So, but when you put in the work, you don't give up, you post regularly. In fact, it has been established that before you two can start showing people your videos, you must post at least 35 videos on their YouTube. So what I do is I make sure before I even think about monetization, I make sure I will post like 50 videos. And if you are hardworking, you can make like 10 videos per day. But making the video is not even the problem now. Is do you have a content? What do you want to talk about? What do you want to post about? What is your niche? Now, a niche is a specific area whereby you need to focus on, talk about. Like me now, this particular channel you are watching now, we talk about nothing more than money and side hustle, how to make money. That's all we talk about. So this is our niche, money, finances. So now, as a YouTuber, you must understand that you need a niche. Some people are into comedy. I know someone that is to food. Whatever she is cooking in her kitchen, what she does is I will show you from the screen you can see her channel. She cooks and she filmed herself, record herself while cooking. And she always posts on YouTube. Before you know it, she's making a lot of money from YouTube. And people started calling her to come and do event, to come and do small chops, to come and make food for them or look post something like that because they thought she's an expert. She later became an expert because she had to do it. That's it. Do you know how to make good clothes? Please, whenever you are cutting down your clothes, get a camera. Your phone is okay. Show us the process. Record the process of making that cloth. Post on YouTube continually, consistently, every day. Can you talk about politics? Now you can have a news channel. You don't need a TV channel again. You can have your own news channel where you tell Nigerians about what is happening in the country. You report. That's it. Do you know how to sing? Just take your phone, start singing, be posting it. Do you know how to act, do comedy, make people laugh? Just focus on that talent, what you can do. It can be more than one. I have 3 channels on YouTube. So, what exactly can you do? Focus on that and begin to make content. Write down what you want to talk about. If you are into food, maybe today is how to make stew, tomorrow is how to make jollof rice, tomorrow is how to spice jollof rice, fried rice, how to make chicken pepper chicken. I don't know what they call it, pepper snail. How to do a lot of things. The content is infinite. You can't exhaust it. You can even begin to search on YouTube again. What people are watching about food making, about no, I have keyboardists on YouTube. I have people that just talk to camera, talk nonsense to camera, and they are making money. So what can you do? What video can you make? Are you a religious person? You can begin to make videos on religion, on your religion. It can be Christian, Islam. Begin to talk to tell people about your religion, how to behave, how to the moral part of your religion. Just anything. See, look at my channel. Look at how much you can make. Okay, okay, maybe you don't even have a content. Maybe you don't even know how to do one. You can go on Viber, hire people for $5. They will help you to do this. And they will give you content. They will give you names. You pick something. YouTube is the new treasure, man. It's the new gold mine. And many people are already mining this gold. Where are you? Where will you be? How will you feel in the nearest future? So this YouTube of a thing, I'm still going to come back and give you how to start with YouTube. So how to set up your YouTube channel, how to get subscribers, how to monetize your YouTube, how to get views, and those stuff. So please, it's okay for now, and I want to go for now. But don't forget, YouTube is something that can make you big if only you want to be big. Thank you. We will see next time. Don't forget, money makes the world go round.